Remember that sticky balsam resin we gathered yesterday? Today, we're warming that little bit of liquid gold and turning it into a simple forest salve, the kind people have made for generations. Since I wasn't sure how much resin I had to begin with, I started by adding just 1 teaspoon of olive oil. That small amount helps loosen the stickiness so the resin can melt gently. Once it was fully liquid, I strained it through cheesecloth to remove the bits of bark and needles. When I measured what came through, it was just a tiny bit over 2 teaspoons, so I added it back into a clean container and blended in another 4 teaspoons of olive oil to dilute it to the right softness. Then I added about half a teaspoon of local beeswax, keeping the heat around medium so nothing scorches. Resin burns easily if it gets too hot. Poured into a little tin, it cools and thickens into a pine-scented balm. Every batch is different, sometimes firm, sometimes glossy. That's the nature of wild materials. They each have their own personality,